Now in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to disassemble and replace your thumbstick and your PS Portal. So if your thumbstick may be having a stick shift or damage or something like that, I'm going to show you guys how to replace it. Now these are things that I'm going to use inside this video. I'm going to put a link for them. So this is the replacement thumbstick right here, and this one is the left one, which I've been given a problem, and I'm going to replace it in this video. Now the main reason why this is giving a problem is because I was trying to install one of these on it, and when I actually spin it like so, it kind of spin out of socket. So this right here kind of bit damaged. So when I'm playing like Call of Duty and I want to run fast and I click on this like so, it's not clicking. But if I click like this, you guys probably can't hear the clicking. So I'm going to replace it in this video and show you guys. As I said earlier, the link for all this equipment that I'm using is going to be inside the description of this video. Now first, what you want to use is your pricing tool right here, and you're going to price out this part, section right here. Then we are going to price out this section as well. So once you price out like this, you're going to be able to pull the screw right here. You can see these two screws. So I'm going to use my screwdriver. I'm going to screw them out. Now all of these screws right here is the same except for the one that is going to be used on the thumbstick itself. So you don't have to worry about mixing up these screws. Now once you price out that screw right here, you're going to price out this top trigger right here on both of these parts. So you're going to price out the R1 and the L1. Just like so. Then I'm going to price out this one as well. Just like so. So I price out both of the top trigger right there, the R1 and the L1. Now as you can see right here, there's a screw at the top right here. We're going to screw out this screw. Put the screw one side. Then we're going to screw this screw as well. Now once you screw that screw, we are going to press off this back piece right here, as you guys can see. And we can start from right here. So you can see that piece right here can start to ease up. So we're going to press it off, in which we can have access to the back part right here. So I'm going to get my pressing tool. As you can see right there, guys, I have now removed the back piece right here, and that's how it looks inside. Now we're gonna screw out some more screw, in which we can take off the top section of the controller. Now because we're working on the left stick, we're not going to pull this side right here. What I'm going to pull is this side right here. So when I turn it over, let me turn this around. You're going to want to screw out this screw right here. So this screw, which holds the top section, and And also there's one more screw inside right here in which we are going to pull as well. Now once you remove that screw, now we can access now to take off this top part right here. And now as you can see guys, I have now removed the top section right here. Now we can access right now to our thumbstick right here. Now this screw right here is a bit different. It's a bit smaller, but the screwdriver that you're working with can still use to pull off this one right here as well. Now this screw is a bit tighter. Then once you remove that screw, we can just take off this little cover right here. As you can see, now we have access to this screw right here. You can just pull off the little thumbstick cover off it. And now, as you guys can see, we have access to our thumbstick right here. Now this screw is a bit smaller, so please ensure that you don't mix them up. I'm going to screw out this screw right here. As you can see, it's a bit smaller. And right here, as you can see, once you remove that screw, there's a clip right here in which we need to pull. So we can use this clipping tool right here to open the clip. Now once it's open, we can remove our thumbstick right here. And then now we can put in our new thumbstick, which is this one right here is a new one. I'm going to replace it. So I'm going to put it right into place. Then as you can see right there, I lock it into place right there. I'll get back my screw, and I'm going to screw it in. And as you can see right there guys, 50% of the job is now complete because the screw right there now goes in place. We're going to put on back now our thumbstick right here. So I'll line that up. We're going to place that onto that right there, nice and gentle. Then we'll put on back our cover right here. Then we're going to get back our screw and screw it back into place. Screw back the screw in place as well. Please be careful though when you're screwing the screw close to the screen. You don't want to damage the screen with your screwdriver. And now that right has been into place, we're going to start now to put on back our cover, which is right here. Clip that into place right there. So you guys can see, now we are putting back now our screw inside right here. We're going to put in our next screw right here inside this section as well. And we'll put back our cover now onto the back section now as well, once that screw goes in. we're gonna clamp on back our cover right into place. Then we are going to put our screw now into those two sections right here. Make sure that clip into place before you start to screw nicely. Then we're going to screw in this one again to this section nicely. Then we can now put in back our caps right here. So make sure that them line up right into place before we even put it into place. So we can position them in the right position. And once you do that, you don't have to worry. You just clip them in. Just like so. Clips in. Do for our next one right here. Just line them up like how it actually looks. We push them into this section right here. And it should clips right in. Then now we're going to put back our screw right into this bottom section. Another screw right here into this bottom section. So the clips right in, or the clips are in. Then as you can see, we're almost 90% complete. Then now we can put back our cover onto each section right here. So I'm going to clip on this part first, up here to the screen. So we're going to make it go under. Then I kind of press to clip it down. Then we'll clip it goes down to this section right here, which goes right into place right there, which goes in perfectly fine. Same for this section as well. This top section, get that right here into place. Gonna take your time. Now what you want to do, guys, is place down this top section right here first. Then you're gonna take your time and prise it all the way down to this bottom section right here. So you're gonna press that in until those clips right into place right there. And there you have it. I've now installed my new thumbstick right here. Working really great. As you can see, I'm gonna boot it up right now. And see that everything is working quite fine. As you can see, it's right here. It's working quite fine. So you guys can see right there, clicking and everything. And that's how you install your thumbstick. So hope you guys find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, I see you guys in my next video. Peace out.